Hi folks, good morning. Today we face one more challenge. It is kind of anagram. So what is the anagram? So basically, right? If you have one letter, see here listen is one letter, and silent is the one letter. So the both letters are same within the letters. Both letters are same, right? And length also same. Okay. So if any letter, if any two letters need to anagram, we have satisfied three conditions. One is same letters and both strings contain exactly the same letters, and each letter appears the number of times in both strings. Each letter appears the number of times in both strings. Okay. And finally, rearrangement. So rearrangement means one string can be transferred into the other by simply rearranging the letters. Okay. This is the anagram. This is the anagram. Let's jump into the code. I'm taking one arrow function const is anagram. Okay, so this arrow function takes two parameters. One is string 1 and string 2. String 1 and string 2. Within this, the string converted into array. I need to the strings converted into array of elements. Okay, so now const array 1. Okay, simply str1 dot initially I'm converting to lowercase lowercase. After that, I am using split method. I'm using split method. Okay, I'm using split method. So after that, here I'm using filter method. Filter method. Here I'm using filter method. So within the filter, I'm take a character. Not equal to. So this thing remove the spacing. This thing remove the spacing. Okay. Const. I'm taking one array 1. After that, str dot to lowercase. So here I'm using split method. So after that, I'm filter the characters. I filter the characters simply. So I copied, paste. So after that, I'm using array to lowercase. Okay. So after that, I need to check if the arrays have the same length or not. I need to check if the arrays have same length or not. So I'm taking one if condition. If array 1 dot length. Okay, array 1 dot length not equal to array 2 dot length. Okay, if array 1 dot length not equal to array 2 dot length means return false. Simply return false. Okay, simply return false. Okay, so so after that I need to store a characters. So after that I need to store a character. So here I'm using map method. Here I'm using map method. Const simply map 1. Here I'm using map method After that, simply copy map to. Okay, so after that, here first of all we store the characters. After that, we need to update the characters. We need to update the character. So I am using for each method array one dot for each array one dot for each method. Take one callback function. Take one callback function. Okay, char map character map one dot set character map one dot get. Okay, map one dot get character. That's a character. So here default value is 0 plus 1. Okay, plus 1. So here simply retrieves the current count of characters. Okay, after that here I'm using character dot get method, right? So if it is character dot get method, simply return value, otherwise default value 0. Okay, default value 0. Simply copy that array 2 dot for each. So here I'm using map to and map to. Okay, okay, finally I need to check if the two maps are equal or not. I need to check if the two maps are take a return condition, return map equal. So I pass a character map 1 and map 2. Okay, character map 1 and map 2. So after that I'm taking one kind of helper function. So I need to check if two maps are equal or not. I write a condition. I'm taking const, okay, map equal. Simply I'm taking one arrow function, map 1 and map 2. Okay, so I'm taking if condition. If map 1 dot size, if map 1 dot size not equal to map 2 dot size. If map 1 dot size not equal to map 2 dot size, simply return false. Simply return false. Simply return false. So after that I'm using for loop. Let taking array key and value, key comma value, key comma value of map 1, key comma value of map 1 if simply value not equal to map 2, simply value not equal to map to get key. get key. Okay, simply return false, otherwise simply return true. Okay, okay, const map equal map 1, map 2 I'm taking two arguments. So here I'm taking one if condition. If map 1 dot size not equal to map 2 dot size, simply return false condition. Okay, so after within the for loop, let I need to check key and value of map 1. If value not equal to map 2 dot get key, simply return false, otherwise returns true. Okay, so I'm taking console log is anagram. Okay, here I'm passing listen and silent. Okay, I'm saving. I'm opening terminal window, clear console. Yeah, you can get true. You can get true. So these two letters, listen and silent, both are anagrams. Listen and silent, both are anagrams. I need to check another word. Let's suppose I'm taking console log is anagram. Okay, within this I pass hello, comma world. Okay, again I am running. See, you can get false. So hello and world not a anagrams. Okay, and console clg I'm taking another example is anagram. Simply I am taking Ravin and Navin. I need to check here. See, you can get false. So the both are not equal. The both are not equal. The both are not equal. So you can get false. Okay, you can get false. This is the anagram solution. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.